In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Crunchyroll. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi. And if your device is connected to a network but you're still facing any other kinds of problems with the logins, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage, scroll down and navigate yourself to the Crunchyroll application. Click on Show All, and here you want to start scrolling until you see this. And here you want to start scrolling until you see the Crunchyroll application. Simply tap on the application and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again, and click on Reinstall App. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open your account and the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.